Hi everyone, welcome to Active and Turkish Lessons. My name is Yasin Nurak. Today I would like to talk about the can, may, and can't. Well, this is going to be dialogue lessons. From now on, I'm planning to make more dialogues for Turkish learners, so it will be quite easy for them to get used to the language ability so easily in daily dialogues. So I hope it's going to be a good lesson for you. Now, for this title here, we say can, may, and can't. Normally it includes the skills, right, in English. So that's why I just put the title here in Turkish. Beceriler, 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 which means skills, because there is s ler plural form. So can, may, and can't. So here, actually, I want to talk about the can and may here. First of all, can and may suffix of this can and may here is ebilir or abilir. Depends on the vowel itself. I will give you a few examples to make it clear for you how to use ebilir or abilir. And after we use suffix of pp and suffix of pp. Pp means personal pronoun or subject pronoun. Okay, so that's easy. Let's see a few examples here. First of all, in Turkish we use based form of verbs. For example, kırmak. Kırmak, this is a verb, which means to break. Okay, to break. And here we use to go, and in Turkish we say gitmek. Gitmek. Actually, mek and mak is used for, in English, to. to. Okay, to. So, kırmak, to break. And if you use the can form or may form, M-A-Y, so we here use abilir because I think there is at the end of the verb itself, just last vowel is a, that's why here we use a, okay? And the last vowel is e, that's why we use here e. So here, kırabilir, kırabilir. It means it may break, or it can break, or he or she can break. Okay, or she or he may break. That's what it means here. So let's go to gitmek. Gitmek, same way. Gidebilir. Gidebilir. But there's one thing you should notice. You see here T, but we use here D. Well, this is tough consonants softening here. There's a lesson, you should watch my lesson here, how we use tough consonants into soft consonants. So if you watch this, you will understand what I mean here. Gidebilir, gidebilir, gidebilir. Now let's go to another examples here. I can break or I can go. Example. As I said before, I may break or I may go. Kırabilirim. Now, the point what I'm doing here is I'm showing you with full sentences, which means I use here personal pronoun, which is I. I am suffix of I. Okay, that means ben in Turkish. Kırabilirim. 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 And gidebilirim. 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 So that means I may break, I may, or I can break. And here, this one is I can go, I may go. Okay, that's what it means. But as I said in my previous lesson as well, just, reminding is all the time good. And don't forget, we use in Turkish all the time personal pronouns as suffixes of personal pronouns always at the end of verbs or adjectives or nouns. Okay, don't forget this part. This is the main important things for you to know all the time. So let's see dialogues here. A, B, A, B. All right. So here, yüzebilir. Yüzebilir misin? Yüzebilir misin? Which means, can you swim? Can you swim? Yüzebilir misin? Evet. Yüzebilirim. Evet. Yüzebilirim. Yes, I can swim. Or yes, I can. Ya sen yüzebilir misin? And you, can you swim? And you, can you swim? Ya sen yüzebilir misin? Ya sen yüzebilir misin? Yüzebilirim ama çok iyi değil. Yüzebilirim ama çok iyi değil. That means yes, I can swim. Actually, not there's not yes. We can use all the time. Yüzebilirim, but not very good. But not very good. Okay. So that's the dialogue, first dialogue. Let's see the second dialogue here. This means the A person asks, can you come tomorrow? Can you come tomorrow? Yarın gelebilir misin? Yarın gelebilir misin? Yarın gelebilir misin? Evet, gelebilirim. Evet, gelebilirim. Harika. Görüşmek üzere. Harika. Görüşmek üzere. Now, pay attention to the sounds of letters that how I use here. This is important. To emphasize stress here. That's the thing that what I'm doing here. Let's repeat this one more time. Yarın gelebilir misin? Evet, gelebilirim. Harika. Görüşmek üzere. Harika. Görüşmek üzere. Now, I want to show you more examples with can and can't. This is important. Can't we use this way. Okay, don't forget it's really different from may forms if you use in negative forms, which means may not. Okay, so I show you here again. I want to tell you actually here again, can't form here negative. All right, let's use these examples. If you want to repeat with me, that's what makes you perfect, actually in pronunciation as well. Okay, let's go on now. All right. Okay. Kırabilirim. Kırabilirim. Kıramam. Kıramam. Gidebilirim. Gidebilirim. Oh, sorry. I should use here gidemem. Gidemem, not gelemem, which means I can't come. This is not the way I mean actually. I should. Hey, repeat with me as well, please. Gidemem. Well, actually, it's not here. I will write here. Gidemem. Gidemem. Satabilirim. Satabilirim. Satamam. Satamam. Which means I can sell or I can't sell. Yiyebilirim. Yiyebilirim. Yiyemem. 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 Which means I can eat or I can't eat. Okay. Unutabilirim. Unutabilirim. I can forget. I can't forget. Unutamam. 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 Öğrenebilirim. I can learn. Öğrenebilirim. Öğrenebilirim. Öğrenemem. Öğrenemem. Taşıyabilirim, which means I can carry. Taşıyabilirim. Taşıyabilirim. Taşıyamam. Taşıyamam. Here, this part all the time, which means I can't blah blah blah. Okay. So here, last one is gidebilirim. I just repeated. Oh, right here. Look. Gidebilirim. Gidemem. This is the real example here. Okay, guys, I just forgot to put here gidemem, but here's it. You can see gidemem. This is how we write and say gidemem. Gidemem. All right, now this is the end of our lesson today, but I would like to remind you something. In my previous videos, I just announced online and face-to-face Turkish practical lessons. I really appreciate your interest. However, some of our students sent their registration form go further. So I think that would be great if you make payments as well online. I just also wrote accounts, payment account number. So that's how we can go further. And I will let you know about the meeting date as well, because this time it's gonna be a little I'm gonna make it a little late actually. All right, thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, don't forget to write us, please, and bye for now.